All right, welcome everybody to David's Garage. Today we are going to be unboxing the Truman Boot in Natural Cypress on their 20 last. Little guide for your boots. Looks like they come with leather laces. Oh, and cotton wax laces. Nice. Alrighty. Wow, and this boot is beautiful. So this is my second Truman boot, and I was really eager to try their 20 last. I do like their 79 last. I like the sort of bulbous toe with this 20 last. I've heard reviews that say that it is a more roomy toe box, but it's a little slimmer in the waist. Interested to try their 20 last. I like the way it looks. It gives it, I think, a not as sleek look as their 79 last. So when I saw these in Natural Cypress on their 20 last, I thought, oh wow, I gotta try these. These look really cool. This is probably gonna be the boot that replaces that Craft and Glory boot that I have, the Task boot in Vintage Tan. Looks similar, but I can already tell right away the build quality on these is just way more top-notch. So Truman boots, they're located in Eugene, Oregon. So they are up in the Pacific Northwest. Some people consider them Pacific Northwest boots, some people don't. Technically they are in the Pacific Northwest. Would I put their build quality up against Nicks or Whites? I probably wouldn't put their build quality up against Nicks and Whites. I wouldn't take that as a slight to Truman boots build quality. I would just, say that Nicks and Whites are just really heavy duty and really well built. And these are also very, very well built. But I don't think these are made to endure the working conditions that Nicks boots are made to endure. So this leather is Natural Cypress. This is by the Horween Tannery in Chicago. So this leather feels really stiff. I love a natural leather, and this looks absolutely beautiful. You can see already, just by flexing the leather, how much pull-up this has. Look at that. So this is a combination tanned leather, which means that it's chrome tanned with chromium salts. And it is also veg tanned. So according to Horween, this is sort of their replacement leather for their Natural Dublin. Natural Dublin, I love it. I love Natural Dublin. It's a beautiful boot. I have a Parkhurst Allen boot in Natural Dublin, and I love the way it looks. But Dublin leather, it stretches a lot and it rolls a lot. So that's one of the downsides to the Natural Dublin, is that the boot will stretch a good amount. And I think Horween created this Natural Cypress to have that combination tan look with this beautiful natural leather that's going to patina nicely, but not be so stretchy of a leather. So I think it's a more, has a higher temper, more stiffer, that's all that means. And hopefully more durable. So like I said before, this is 270 degree Goodyear welted. 4-row stitching right there on the quarters and the vamp. Single piece backstay, gives it a sleek look. You can see it's got a nice veg tan insole. It looks like it's leather lined in the toe box. It's on Truman's proprietary Commando lug sole. I really like a lug sole. The only downside to lugs is that it gives it a bulkier look from the side view, and then also this definitely grabs more dirt and rocks, but I will gladly sacrifice cleanliness to have a better grip. This leather is beautiful. It's definitely not as soft and supple as like a Chrome Excel. This definitely, it feels like a work leather. I'm not saying it's a work leather, but it feels like a work leather. It just feels like a nice heavy duty. I'm assuming that stiffness comes from that heavy veg retan. Okay, you can see this has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 eyelets, 2 speed hooks. The tongue is not gusseted. All right, let's try these bad boys on. Okay. So these are a 10D. This is what I got on their 79 last as well. I just went a half size down from my average shoe size, which is 10.5. And these fit perfectly. You know, these actually do feel slimmer than their 79 last, even though the toe box is more roomy in the waist right here. It's hugging my foot. In a good way, it's slimmer. I think these actually fit me better than on the 79 last. Truman boots and their last are not known for having super high arches, but they do feel comfortable. I do like them. The only thing is though, on my right boot, I can feel the lining on the toe box inside. I can feel that rubbing against the left side of my foot. And in fact, when I was looking at it, it was like sticking out a little. I'm probably going to end up wearing these a few times for work, so I can get them into the rotation. I'm not gonna be super harsh on these boots, but I do plan on wearing them for work and getting them into my rotation. That's pretty much everything for these boots. If you guys have Truman boots, let me know what you guys think of the 20 last, or if you prefer their 79 last. And let me know what you guys think of this Natural Cypress leather. I'm really excited to break this leather in and see how it patinas. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you on the next video.